Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change TikTok account from private to public on iPhone. Alright guys, it's very simple. Now the first step to take is open your TikTok app, head to your TikTok profile just like this, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now once you do that, click on settings and privacy. After that, from here you're going to find the privacy option at the top, which is actually the second option there. Click on that, and right here you'll notice this private account option, and then you can turn on this toggle button or you can choose to turn it off. Well, by default it's being turned off just like this, and this simply means that your account is already public, so you don't need to go ahead and turn this on. Once you turn it on, your account is going to be private. So once it's been turned off like this, just know that your account is public. But if it's turned off, then go ahead and turn it. If it's turned on, then go ahead and turn it off to make your account public. So guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.